Hi folks, Richard Daly here of Irish Pens. I want to show you today our Woodland Twist pen. This is a Woodland Twist pen in a very rare Irish Bog Oak. You can see the lovely grain there in the Irish Bog Oak. Very dark wood as you would naturally expect. The Bog Oak itself is over 5,000 years old. And all we've done with the Bog Oak is we've taken the Bog Oak, we've shaped it on the lathe. We have sanded it down to about 600 grit, and then we've applied a very special oil to this Bog Oak. It's an oil you get from a Bog Oak sculptor in Dublin, which is a fantastic, not too high shine finish, because what we want you to do is we want to protect the wood, but we also want you to be able to enjoy the wood when you're holding it in your hand. We want you to feel every year of that 5,000 years of time that wood has spent in the bogland of Ireland. Now, a very, very rare wood like that needs to be married up with a very, very high-end pen trim. And with this pen, that's exactly what we've done. The pen trim is rhodium here, rhodium tie clip. The center band is black titanium. And if you can see it, the cap has also got black titanium in the very tip of the finial of the pen. The pen is a twist mechanism, as I said. You twist the pen to advance and to retract the ballpoint nib. Very, very solid twist mechanism. We really love the pen. It's of the highest possible quality, which it should be, because you're taking a wood as natural and as rare as Bog Oak. You need to make sure that you put that into a pen that is of the highest possible quality. Stunning gift. Anybody who gets a gift of this pen will use it. Think of you every day when they are using it, the person who gave them the gift. Looks stunning on boardroom tables, on a writing desk. Just be prepared for people to ask you, where did you get that pen when you're using it? Because it is such a unique pen. And remember, there's not one pen like it anywhere else in the world, because the wood grain, this pen, is your guarantee of its total uniqueness. So that's the pen. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll hopefully do another video to show you some more of our pens.